I just wanted to say thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I think I'm at now, maybe 110 or something like that. I just want to say thank you so much for all of the love and support on all my videos, whether you liked and commented or you subscribed. I just want to say thank you so much. Yeah, many more great things to come, and I hope y'all stick around for the journey, or if you're just seeing this and you haven't subscribed, you join me for the journey. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into my little hair dye, bleach, how-to vlog, whatever you want to call it. Give me a run for money. There is nobody, no one there run. Okay, so I'm just showing y'all what my hair looks like currently. I have bleached and dyed my hair in the past, but that was 8 months ago, and I wanted to do it again. So first and foremost, you're going to part your hair, preferably into 4 sections, but I parted mine into 5, I think, because I'm doing something a little bit different, as you're going to see in this video. They're a little messy, but it doesn't matter because everybody's getting bleach. So once you get everything you need, you are going to want to mix 2 scoops of the bleach. Is really strong, so make sure you're in a well ventilated area. As you can see, I'm literally like gagging on that shit. And then you're going to want to pour in your developer, no higher than 40 volume. I'm using 30 volume. You're going to pour in your developer until it's a pasty like consistency. I was mixing it with this little tool right here that it came with, but I switched to a fork because it just got the job done better. And as you can see, that's the consistency that you want. Okay, so I sped this part up, but as you can see, I'm literally just attacking my roots with the bleach and just making sure I get every part that's black. I really don't want the bleach to go on my ends because I don't want to fry or like cook my hair. So I'm really just trying to, it's okay if I get it on my ends, but I'm really trying to avoid it, as you can see right here. Okay, so now when it comes to my skunk stripe, I am going to put bleach all over the hair strands instead of just the roots, and just make sure it's saturated in that bleach. At the end of me like washing all the bleach out, you're gonna see that I actually messed up like really bad, but I do go back and fix it later on in this video. So this isn't really like a how-to, this is just like what I did, but in the end, it all worked out, so I don't really care. Okay, so now I'm just checking to see what my hair looks like in the bag, and I forgot to put this clip in there, but you're going to want to put a bag over your head, a shower cap or a plastic bag, doesn't matter, and put it over your head for about 15 to 20 minutes. I did 15 because I have dyed my hair in the past previously, and I didn't want to damage my hair. So yeah, you're going to let it sit, and then after you let it sit, this is what I was looking like, and I went ahead and rinsed it out. You rinse it out with water first. As you can see, I'm talking about it right here, and then I went in with my Olaplex shampoo and just gently scrubbed my hair. So we're not looking too hot, but a good thing that I'm putting dye all over my head, so I don't really care. Also, when it comes to drying your hair, never dry your hair with a towel. Always use a cotton t-shirt to dry your hair. It just retains the moisture better, and after bleaching your hair loses a lot of moisture, so you need your hair to remain moisturized. So now I'm going to go in with my blue shampoo, the Fanola No Orange, and I'm just going to try and get rid of some of that brassiness that's in my hair. I think that's what the correct wording for that is. But but yeah, I actually got in with a blue shampoo and a purple shampoo, but I didn't get like any clips of me putting the purple shampoo in, and I'm just reading the instructions right now, and it told me to put on gloves, so I went ahead and put on my black gloves again. Very important that you get nitrile latex free gloves when you bleach your hair. So I'm just pouring it straight onto my head, and my hair is still wet. It's not soaking wet, it's damp, and I'm just going to start lathering that on, like just scrubbing my head, not too hard, just getting it like real gently, but just making sure I'm covering all my bases basically. I'm just remembering, I probably didn't show this earlier, but I washed my hair out with I washed the bleach out with the Olaplex number 4. And I'm about to rinse this out because it's been 5 minutes. But after I rinse this out, I'm going to put on the Olaplex number 5. And I think you leave this on for 5 minutes as well. No, you leave this on for 3 minutes. So I'm gonna leave this on for 3 minutes, then rinse it out, and I'm gonna come back and I'm actually going to put in some leave-in conditioner. So now I'm just examining my hair after the blue and the purple shampoo, and it honestly looks the same, and I'm a little bit disappointed because I spent 25 bucks on that blue shampoo, and yeah, just just a little annoyed. But now I'm going in with the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, the Mantuka oil, I think it's called. That's the scent of it, and I'm just gonna put that all throughout my head. It's very important that you moisturize or condition your hair after you bleach it because you're losing a lot of moisture. Like I said earlier, you need to put conditioner in. Yeah, you can really see now that I messed up a lot, but I rather have mess ups in like patchy work than hair falling out. So that was how I viewed it. I'm not a professional. I'm doing it at home, and I literally have a hair appointment in I think I had a hair appointment 6 hours after this. So I was like, you know what, I don't care. I was actually looking at my skunk stripe, and I was looking at how bad it was. My skunk stripe has to be totally blonde. Like, it doesn't have to be like perfect bleach blonde platinum, but it has to be totally blonde. So I went ahead and just mixed some more bleach up, same consistency as before, and just put it back all throughout the skunk stripe because I wasn't about to do that. Like, I needed it good. So here I am doing that, and I'm just gonna let it sit on for about 5 to 10 minutes. I think I let it sit for maybe 15, but I didn't let it sit for too long. I should have let it sit for longer, but again, I'm really scared of just frying my head, and I'm just looking at how messed up my hair is as I'm going back and editing this, and I literally should have put the bleach in longer, but I don't care. I forgot to click record when I first put the dye on, but I'm mixing just equal parts French cognac and Cajun spice. I put Vaseline all around the edge of my hair, like my hairline, and I'm just going ham with it, just making sure every piece of my hair is covered with dye except for the skunk stripe. So we're gonna go ahead and put another trash bag on our head, or my head I should say, and I'm gonna let that sit for about 2 to 3 hours, and we're gonna come back, rinse it out. I am not going to shampoo. You do not shampoo after dye. I'm not shampooing. I'm only putting in leave-in conditioner to keep my hair moisturized, and then I'm gonna blow it out, put in oil, and then we're done. I go ahead and part my hair into 4 equal sections, or as equal as I could get it. I'm just looking at the damage, or not the damage, but just like how bad I messed up. Anyways, I go ahead and go in with my leave-in conditioner again from Shea Moisture, just the same one as before. And after I like get that all in, like dispersed with my fingers, I go in with a comb and comb all the knots out of my head. I have a lot of knots in my hair. I don't know why. I think it's from the unbrush I've been using. It's just not good for 4C hair in my opinion. It's good for everything else, just not the good for 4C hair. And after I fully get it detangled and I can run my fingers through it, I am going to go in with my Revlon brush blow dryer. This blow dryer is the truth. I stand by it. I'm going to put on my glasses for this because I literally cannot see without them. And yeah, I'm just going to blow dry my hair. I'm going to make sure I put some heat protectant on. My Chi heat protectant, the Iron Guard 45 or 44, I don't know. I'm just going to put it on my fingers and then rub it all throughout my hair and start blow drying. Now that it's all blow dried out, I go in and I part it again to 4 equal parts, or as equal as I can get it, and I'm just going to go in with my As I Am hair oil. I think it's peppermint and something else. I don't know. I'm going to show it on screen here in a second. There I go. And I'm just going to just like disperse that all throughout my hair evenly, and then I'm going to braid my hair. I'm not braiding this fast, it's sped up. But I'm just going to braid each section, and yeah, after I braid each section, I'm going to go in with the oil again and get my scalp and put on my bonnet and just get ready to go get my hair done, because at this point in time, I had literally 2 hours before my hair appointment. I hadn't slept all night and I was so tired, but I was also so excited to go get my hair done. So here I am brushing my teeth, already washed my face, and yeah, just so excited to go get my braids. Okay, so obviously it's next day. Like, it's not even the same day I got my hair braided and all that. It is next day because so much went on that day. This is the blonde side. This is the back. The back part looks a little bit messy because of how I have my hair flipped. Let me just flip it back over for y'all real quick. Flip it over like this. Ooh, this is really cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. I literally love my braids. And I can flip it over like this too and have it like this. Isn't that cute as hell? Like, that is so pretty. I just love my hair so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I literally love my braids. If you want to get braids like these are the tribal versatile flip over braids. I guess show this to your braider as inspo if you're really that motivated, but I don't know. I love it so much. Let me just show you on the back again now that they have it all like laid out. Yeah, and it has little boho pieces, so yeah, I love my hair. I told y'all it wasn't gonna matter that I bleached my hair incorrectly because you can't see it. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, many great things to come in the future. I'll see you guys in the next upload, whenever that is. If it's not a YouTube video, it's gonna be a short. So, peace.
Hands on my knee, flawless begin. Hop off a chick, and get rich. Let's do no more, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my